Everyone's using AI to get ahead. Perfect resumes, auto-filled cover letters, and even ChatGPT written DMs. But here's the twist. The more robotic people become, the easier it is for real humans to stand out. In a world full of AI, being authentic is your new competitive edge. If you're not sure how to bring more of your human side into outreach, grab our free cold outreach templates in the description below. They'll show you how to sound real, not robotic, while still coming across professional and confident. Every week, I get messages that sound the same. Perfect grammar, the same buzzwords, the same tone. And I can almost always tell who used AI to write them. And it's not that I'm against AI. It's a tool. It's a great one. But it can't replicate warmth. It can't replicate genuine curiosity. It can't make someone feel like you care. When you're trying to land a job or an internship, that's what gives you the edge, especially in finance, where the technical bar is high, but it's the human connection that gets you through the door. I've seen students with 4.0s and stacked resumes get passed over for someone with average stats who simply knew how to connect. AI can automate information, not connection. AI can write your resume, summarize your experiences, even draft a cold message, but it can't make you memorable. When a recruiter reads a message that feels human, it's like tasting a home-cooked meal after a week of microwave dinners. Something in it just hits different. That's your human advantage. Genuine curiosity, gratitude that feels real, following up because you care, not just because you're tracking touch points in a CRM. These things don't scale, but that's exactly why they work. The more the world leans on automation, the more valuable authenticity becomes. Companies don't just hire skill, they hire people they want to be around. Now, let's be honest. Being likable won't save you if you're completely clueless. But if it comes down to two candidates, one who's sharp but cold, and another who's solid and warm, 9 times out of 10, they'll pick the person they actually like. I've seen it happen over and over again. You'll meet someone and think, how on earth did they even get that job? It's not luck, it's likability or nepotism. But here's the catch. Likability isn't about being funny or charming. It's about showing respect, enthusiasm, and making people feel seen. You don't need to crack jokes. You just need to show up like someone people want to work with. That's the quiet advantage that no AI tool can mimic. If your outreach feels robotic, you've already lost. So, how do you actually show this human side? Start with your outreach. When you send a LinkedIn DM, write like you're talking to a real person. Because you are. Mention something specific about their story, their role, their firm. Be genuinely curious. Then, when you meet them in person or over the phone, slow down. Listen more than you talk. Smile. Ask questions that make them think. Most people are so focused on saying the perfect line that they forget to actually connect. But when you lean into sincerity, you instantly separate yourself from the 90% of people who sound like corporate templates. Professional doesn't mean robotic. The best first impressions happen when you blend professionalism and warmth. You want to be polished, researched, prepared, confident, but not stiff. The highest level of mastery is being able to share a small laugh with the person across the table, whether it's during a coffee chat or an interview. When you can do that without crossing the line into too casual, that's when people remember you for the right reasons. There is a fine line though. If you go too far, you'll look like a clown, and if you play it safe, you'll come off as forgettable. Think of it like seasoning a dish. Too little salt, it's bland. Too much, it's overwhelming. The right amount brings everything to life. Charm gets you in the door, competence keeps you there. Now let's be real. Being likable might get you hired, but it won't keep you there. If you can't perform, finance will chew you up quick. The goal is to blend both worlds, warmth and capability. You show up prepared, you know your technicals, but you also make the other person across the table feel like, yeah, I could work with this person for 10 plus hours a day. That's the secret sauce. You bring both, human and high performer, heart and hustle. And that's what makes you impossible to ignore in any market, AI or not. The truth is, AI can help you look impressive on paper, but it's your humanity that closes the deal. Watch this video next, where I break down real stories of students who got offers, not because they were perfect, but because they were human. Let's cook. I'll see you over there.